In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable App Store Face ID on your iPhone. This is a great feature that offers an added layer of security and convenience. Whether you're making a purchase or downloading an app, using Face ID makes the process quick and secure by allowing you to authenticate with just a glance. Let's walk through the steps to make this all happen on your device. First things first, you'll want to open your Settings app. This is the app that looks like a set of grey gears, and it's probably one you're already quite familiar with. It's where you manage most of your iPhone's features, including the security settings we're going to adjust today. Now, once you're inside the settings menu, start scrolling down until you find the option labelled Face ID and Passcode. This section houses the controls for what features you want to secure using Face ID, among other things related to your device's security setup. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. This is a security measure to ensure that it's really you who wants to make these changes. So, go ahead and enter that passcode. If you're having trouble remembering it, try thinking back to when you first set up your device, as it's usually the same passcode you use to unlock your phone. Once you've entered the correct passcode, you'll see a list under the heading Use Face ID for. Among these options, you're going to want to toggle on the one marked iTunes and App Store. This toggle switch is what enables Face ID for App and iTunes Store purchases, making the download process safer and faster. After you've toggled that switch on, congratulations, you've successfully set up Face ID for App Store purchases. Going forward, whenever you decide to download an app or make a purchase on the App Store, the process will require Face ID to authenticate, adding an extra layer of security by making sure it's you who's authorizing the transaction. And there you have it, everything you need to enable Face ID for the App Store on your iPhone. This can help streamline your interactions with the App Store, making purchases quick yet secure. As always, it's a good idea to periodically review your settings to ensure they continue to meet your security and convenience preferences. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy downloading!